today to celebrate the 5th Christmas party of Cal Ventures Corporation, I want to take a moment to reflect on our incredible journey. Just a few years ago, we started as a small company with a vision and handful of employees. Ilang taon na ang nakalipas, nagsimula tayo bilang isang maliit na kumpanya na may pangarap at iilang empleyado. Ngayon, tayo ay lumago sa 12 kumpanya.
Hi guys, it's me, Carissa Elaine Liquigan Avila, your COO. Congratulations and Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope you guys enjoy this night. Para sa inyo lahat to. Ngayong taon, iinom natin yan. Congratulations. I love you all, guys.
Mula sa 5, ngayon daang-daang libong empleyado sa buong Pilipinas. But our story is a story of resilience and determination.
Happy year-end party, Cal Ventures! Woo!
Night says yes, you've been here for quite some time.
Hi, I'm Kia Liquigan and congratulations, Cal Ventures. I'm excited to see greater things in 2026.
Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart.
Hi, Cal Ventures family. It's Cheska, and I'm wishing you all a Merry Christmas. And we would like to thank you for all of your hard work and dedication. Happy year-end party, Cal Ventures!
We never lost hope. And we always dreamt that one day we will be in a big venue celebrating Christmas not only with our family, but with the people who have been there with us. And tonight is an attestation of that.
I would like to say maraming salamat po sa lahat ng empleyadong nandito na gumabay at laging eto na naman at laging nandyan para sa amin.
Ngayong gabi po, isa hinagap, hindi ko po akalain. Natatayo po ako sa isa sa pinakamahal na hotel sa Quezon City. Kasama ang halos 500 empleyado po namin. Kaya maraming salamat.
4 years na pinagsamahan natin is a true testament na pag lahat tayo nagsama-sama, ginawa yung best natin, at ginawa natin lahat ng may pagmamahal, walang imposible.
For the past couple of years, we grew and we keep on growing. And this growth is not just about numbers. Ito ay tungkol sa pamilyang nabuo natin ng sama-sama.
Happy year-end party, Cal Ventures!
You served as an inspiration to me na kung kaya ng pamilya namin tulungan yung 400 tao ngayong araw, we can do more if we have the government behind us. And you made that possible for us. Maraming salamat, Cal Ventures.
Happy year-end party, Cal Ventures!
Daming pinagpuyatang meetings, ang daming deadlines, ang daming reportings na kailangan gawin this year. But despite all of that, kinaya nating lahat.
Nawa ang Paskong ito ay maging paalaala na ang lakas nating pagkakaisa at ang saya ng ating mga nakamit. Nawa ang panahong ito ay magdala sa atin ng kapayapaan, pagmamahal at patuloy na tagumpay sa darating na taon. Maraming salamat, Cal Ventures, at asahan ninyo na this is not the end but merely a beginning of a better and more prosperous year for everybody. Maraming salamat sa atin. Maligayang Pasko po at maligong bagong taon. Thank you so much.